you got 24 hours. Maybe you might have a week. You might have a week. But I'd say you got 24 hours. It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, hitting you with this drip. You know why I'm hitting you with this drip? Because it's at $18.64. This is on coinmarketcap.com. On the drip website, it's at 16.59 USDT. So the last time it was this price was last September when I initially bought it. When I first got in the drip, it was at $17. So this being under 17 right now, and with Animal Farm and Piggy Bank about to relaunch, and it's this low of a price, this is a steal. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say on this channel is just for entertainment purposes only. But hey, look at this. I mean, if I were you guys, I would get in. I'm at 23.48 right now in drip BUSD garden plants. And then so when you look at the scheduler, one drip BUSD LP is around $15. So I mean, this is the cheapest. This is the cheapest that you're gonna see drip, in my opinion. And for the next, after Piggy Bank launches and Animal Farm gets back and they drop the new UI for the drip network, this is the lowest you're gonna see this. So hey, you don't have to listen to me. Last time I got in at $17, and then over the course of a year it shot up to almost $160. So it's back down again, and guess what? It's gonna shoot back up again. So hey, you don't have to take my word for it. Do what you want to do. I'm just saying, if I were you, which I'm gonna do this, I would get in and I would drop as much cash as I could on this. Not financial advice. So hey, if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future content, and have a good day. Peace.